2-3 months. This
Oh,
is
nice.
lockdown solution.
Creativity.
So if somebody is, a writer, or I'm a designer, or Sonam is a creative person, so first thing we need to thank is our fingers. If we don't have fingers and hands, how will we hold a pencil or a paintbrush?
Yes.
That is true.
So start from the base and just be grateful for each and everything.
Okay.
I remember one day, our drainage was not working well outside the house, and it was too bad smell was coming. So I also learned from somewhere in Magic only. Then I started writing gratitude for the drainage system. So
Okay.
we have a drainage system. Every day is fine. Now today, one fine day in all, let's say 20 years, one day I am having a bad smell coming into my house. So just go to the base level, because we think, okay, living thing we can say we can be grateful, but what about non-living things? But ultimately, everything has an energy which we practice,
Yes,
towards the
that's
end
true,
of the
that's
session.
true.
So like the lipstick you're wearing, as simple as that.
Thank you. Being on my lips, looking myself good with lipstick. Thank you, lipstick.
And for singing, you should practice in front of mirror also. I don't know if you practice, so you can thank mirror also. So you'll fall in love with yourself and your own singing. That's also a key.
But I have a question for you, Vidyanti. Matlab, do you consciously not want to participate and become as great? Like, what if tomorrow I tell you,
No. I would like to be great, but I would like to be me.
No, that's fine.
As
You be you.
Darshana said, no.
You be you.
Yes.
But
As
don't be.
Darshana,
I'm just saying, you be you, but don't be afraid. Matlab, my question to you is, of course, you're grateful for your voice and you want to do it. But what if you have such a good voice that tomorrow you end up going and winning something? Matlab, why not?
I want to be Lata for that matter. No issue on that.
Now you're talking, no. So
Why
don't cut your gratitude also short.
No. That's why I'm not setting parameters. I'm letting myself go. Whatever, to what extent I can go, it's completely.
And continue. So when you see singers like Lata Didi or whoever you say, if you feel grateful to them also, then also this Vidya will come to you
inspiring.
on your own.
Yeah. No, I have written in that one of the thank you Asha ji for singing such a beautiful song. So I have written that.
Because I asked a question to somebody. I said I want to become a blogger, but when I open Instagram, I either feel jealous or I don't like the person. Then the answer I got was, you can never become a blogger, because you want to achieve there, but you are repelling it by hating it or feeling jealous. So the more you are jealous, the more you'll repel.
Yeah,
so
that is true.
That's how it is.
Intense, man, intense.
So we are waiting for Madhu auntie. Or we should start and she can join.
What time is it?
It's 38.
We should start, I think.
Oh, it's 38. Okay, let's start.
Anybody wants to volunteer and read?
Sapna auntie, you want to read today?
Okay, I'll read.
Kruti, you're here, no?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
So we are on day 11. I'll quickly share the screen.
So is it a long chapter or a small one?
No, it's very short. Very short.
So I'll complete the whole chapter.
Yes.
Yeah, complete the whole chapter.
Something related to cooking.
No. Today we have
morning.
Okay.
Magic morning.
So I'll start?
Yes.
Okay, so day 11, a magic morning. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus Aurelius, 121 to 180, Roman Emperor. The easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. When you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the whole day. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself.
Yes, yes, harm yourself.
Yes, mentally, yes.
Okay, I'll read it again. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts without realizing you're doing it. There's no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for things to be grateful for. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great, and that's when you will see the magic happen before your very eyes. When you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive and that you've been given another day of life. Your life is a gift, every day is a gift, and when you really think about it, it's inconceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are or if your alarm has woken you up for work or you have slept in during the weekend, the moment you wake, say the magic words, thank you for another day of your life. Say thank you for the good night's sleep you received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? Thank you. As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. Do you have a bathroom? Thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh, clean water every morning? Thank you. Imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across your country, throughout your city, and along all the streets to your home so you can turn a tap and receive beautiful, clean, hot water. Thank you. As you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly. Thank you for Thank you for the towels, the soap, the mirror, and everything in the bathroom you use that makes you feel fresh, awake, and ready for the day. As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear in one day. It's likely that the clothes you put on in one day come from many countries across the planet. Thank you to everybody. Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Thank you for your shoes. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. J.B. Presley, 1894 to 1984, writer and playwright. Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic words, thank you, in your mind for everything you touch and use. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed first thing in the morning, you can still use this magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is. If you wake up and eat breakfast first, then as you touch and use each thing for your breakfast, say the magic words, thank you. Give thanks for your morning coffee, tea, fruit juice, or breakfast. They make your mornings so enjoyable and give you energy for the day. Be grateful for the kitchen appliances you use for your breakfast, the refrigerator, hot plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker, or kettle. Every day without exception, I say thank as I put one foot on the floor and you as my other. And every day without exception, I say thank as I put one foot on the floor and you as my other foot touches the floor, so that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you. As I walk toward my bathroom, I say the magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I touch and use each thing in my bathroom. By the time I am dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked and I am guaranteed to have a magical day. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power with me because one good thing after another happens. And as each good thing happens, I'm even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know, those days when everything just seems to go right for you. Well, that's what it's like after doing Magic Morning, but multiplied. Magic practice number 11, a magic morning. When you wake up to the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Perfect. Thank you, Auntie, for reading. So,
Thank you, Auntie, for reading.
magic morning. So, but unsaid rule, unsaid line says morning starts after a night. If you fight with somebody at night and sleep, your morning can never be magical. So, I think it starts right from when you're sleeping. Just be thankful. I think we can add, I hope you agree, Sonam. We can add thank you from there before sleeping so that, the mind reprograms itself and it becomes calmer and the sleep is also fine. So the book says the moment you get up, the first word you have to say is thank you. I think in our cultures also, some people when they wake up, they touch the floor, Dharti Mata, look at
They
the
see the
hands, see
hands.
the hands, and
They do what?
They see their hands and say,
Look at the
Karate
hands.
Vasute Lakshmi Karamadde Saraswati Karamule tu Govinda Prabhate Karadarshanam.
Oh, how nice. I'd like to learn that.
Yes, I also need to do that. And some people, when they turn on the gas, also first in the morning,
Yeah.
they fold their hands and say thank
They
you.
do also do Agni, no? So they take rice
Agni
and they
Puja,
put it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So everything is already there in our culture. It's just that we wanted a foreigner to give
We
us a
forgot
book.
it.
Give us a book and come
Many
to
people in our culture still do this. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah, they do. No, as in we are talking about this generation, this Karthik, Kruti, Karthik, sitting here. We need to imbibe a lot more practices into, like they exist. We're learning through the magic, like we discussed that day, Madhu Aunty. It had to come from the West, and then we're like,
Then we are like, we are very impressed. We are very impressed by that.
Super. So, Karthik, remember the other day also we were talking about this masterclass that we attended with Jim Quick, and how he said your morning routine is the only thing that sets you up for your day. So what you do for the first 1 hour after you wake up, whether you go and chat, whether you go and shout at your bike, what do you do? What is your morning routine? And the better thing to do would be to just, of course, follow this magic practice, but to add on to it, maybe come up with a routine. Like I figured my routine out. It's time that you figured yours if you haven't. Do like a 10-minute yoga thing, do a morning stretch, do have hot coffee by yourself. For the people living alone, great. For the people who live in larger families, it can get a little difficult to sit by yourself and collect your thoughts, write them down, right, Karthik? You told me about journaling in the morning.
Yes.
And how important that is. So maybe we can imbibe a little bit of that also.
So the moment we wake up, that's the time to be grateful, because once we start being grateful, so I think entire day we can manage. So what happens, even a problem is approaching us, our outlook changes. Even if
Yes,
somebody
You
is
don't.
shouting,
yes. Yes,
shouting
I'm
at us,
noticing this now.
yeah, even if somebody's shouting, we'll be like, "ठीक है now, okay, thank you, go away."
Yeah.
You respond. You don't
Yeah,
react.
yeah,
And especially, I think the one thing that has really helped me is especially not looking at my WhatsApp, which I find very difficult to do.
Yeah.
Once I wake up, our alarms are on our phones. So you see the phone and then you check your WhatsApp and you react. You don't need to react or respond.
There are some people who have to overcome this phone problem. They have bought alarm clocks.
yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking the other day to buy it. It's not a
Not
bad
to,
idea at all.
yeah, not to use the phone.
Mobile phone for alarm.
Phone a little away from you also.
Yeah,
You
absolutely.
can
So
hear
I
it, but
check my message and I switch off my internet. So I see the mobile alarm is there. I switch it off, but there are no internet, so no message has come. Nothing has got delivered.
I'm going to start doing that.
So I don't start my net till my first hour is over, and then I
Yeah.
start.
That's a good idea.
Very
I
good.
remember last week, so I'm not talking to a friend. I stopped talking, something happened. And I woke up and all of a sudden I opened the chat and he had sent 5 messages and deleted all. And I was like, what is this? One, you're not
Oh,
talking
yeah.
for 5 months. Then you are doing this. So, entire day, then you get into that thought process. So I think,
What was written there?
yeah. So
Yeah.
I can't message because I have my own ego. He had his own ego. So he must be drunk. He wrote and deleted. Okay, chapter over.
True.
So internet is, yes, a big thing.
Super. Okay. Should we get into our practice?
Yeah.
I think we'll do something very simple because even today's chapter has been very simple. The morning hopefully will be simple. Let's do our Om chanting the way we do in our chakra healing. So we're going to, for especially Sapna Auntie, you've joined us for chakra practice for the first time. We're talking about a chakra 4 inches above your head, right? It could be rotating in a vertical plane or a horizontal plane. It's basically purple in color. And so imagine like a violet purple and a glowy purple, not a dull purple. As you chant Om, and we'll do it 11 times just because 11 is an auspicious number and it sort of registers with us. Let's do it 11 times. You have to imagine the chakra swiftly turning in the clockwise direction, always clockwise.
We did this once.
Yeah, we've done it for the root chakra. Today we're going to do it for the crown chakra, which is outside your body. Yeah, everybody else knows, of course, we've been doing it for a while, right? Okay, so close your eyes, everybody. Sit still. Take a deep breath in and out. 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 Now we'll take 15 to 20 seconds to properly visualize this beautiful violet chakra at the top of your head. So it is 4 inches
I think our internet is gone. Maybe we can wait.
Yeah.
only her internet has gone, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can see.
There are a lot of rain in Mumbai today.
Yeah, a lot of rain. Was there. That's true.
Guys, my battery died actually. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can hear you.
Okay, I'm back. My battery is okay now. Okay. So, sorry, let's restart. Let's start with deep breathing all over again. Take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in peace, love, positivity from the cosmic energy around you. And breathe out everything that doesn't work for you. Breathe in love, positivity, and compassion. And breathe out everything that doesn't work for you. Take a deep breath in and out. So we left off at me giving you 15 to 20 seconds to properly imagine your crown chakra. This chakra is at the is 4 inches above your head. So it is outside your body. So imagine a beautiful glowing light for now, chakra later, light for now, beautiful glowing purple light above your head. Now this is not a dark purple, it is a beautiful, sparkly, glowy, almost like a purple bulb or a violet bulb. So what you've done is you've gone to the rainbow, you've picked out violet, and you've placed it above your head. Now imagine that light to take form of a chakra. That chakra could be a whirlpool of energy. It could be Krishna's little chakra. Very easy to imagine. It could be any other circular object or more than object energy formation. So a circular energy formation. Easiest to imagine is of course a whirlpool, but not going below. It's not tapering. It's staying right there. So it could be in the horizontal plane or rotating in the vertical plane. Now imagine this beautiful circular formation of energy, fully glowing, purple light, throwing this light on you and around you. The more powerful your imagination, the more powerful your imagination of the chakra, of this light, the more effect it's going to have. Lovely. Now that we've imagined the chakra, let's chant the Bij mantra for the chakra 11 times. Chant with me. Take a deep breath in. Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Take a deep breath in, immerse yourself. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Breathe in. One last time. Take a deep breath in. Stay there. Feel the energy that you created today. Notice the sensations in and around you. This Om chanting has laid to rest any stressful or an anxious energy that you might have. This chanting will also help you sleep better and practice better tomorrow. Rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes and open.
Lovely practice. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right.
I think
Anybody wants to say anything? Or just soak in
Kruti,
into
do
that?
we see a doubt?
Sorry?
Do we see a doubt on your face?
No, no, no. I just am so much into that.
Great. Okay. So let us not break that magic spell. Henna Kate,
Sure, sure,
let's meet up tomorrow at 9:30.
sure. All right. Good night. Thank you, everyone.
Yep. Thank
Bye.
Cool. Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.